Hello everyone! Good morning! Yeah, it's still morning. No, past na pala. It's 12 noon. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday, January 29. So, mag-isa lang tayo guys at may pasok si Warren. Like what I've said last night. Na-edit ko na ang ating vlog nung Monday and Tuesday and then na-post ko na rin siya today. Please check that out. Yun yung time na nagpupulol kami ng puno. Side job ni Mister. Ayun. We're sharing our side business na ginagawa namin kapag walang pasok si Mister, kapag maganda yung panahon, ganun. Kasi this past few days napakalamig, diba? Ilamig din si Mister, kaya hindi siya nag-accept ng mga client. Pero last Monday and Tuesday medyo okay yung this week, medyo okay yung panahon, hindi gaanong kalamig. Medyo mainit-init dahil may araw. But I think this coming weekend mag-uulan. Meron ako dito, ito yung mga nagawa kong Shanghai. Ito. Nilagay ko na sa pouch. Tatlo yan. Yung isa nandito sa fridge kasi I'm thinking to cook it later. Ginanon ko na siya para kapag gusto ko ng Shanghai, di ba, masasaw ko siya na hindi lahat. Kasi, you know, labas, pasok sa freezer, labas, pasok sa freezer, baka masira. So, ginanon ko na siya. And then, yung chicharon, ito yung chicharon na sinasabi ko, guys. Here. Yan. Tingnan nyo, may laman-laman siya. Maliliit lang siya, para siyang bite size. Pero may mga laman-laman, oh. Kita nyo yun. Ayun, oh, may mga laman-laman. I got two. Meron pa ako isa dito. Ayun, ano masyadong naman ang aming pantry. Kasi nag-vlog din ako today para samahan nyo ako mag-inventory. So we're done doing inventory. Inventory talaga. No, I just check some of our stocks if ever wala na. So I just get some extra, you know, just in case. Because here wala talagang tindahan dito. Na kasi sa atin, di ba, kahit na maubusan tayo ng stock like shampoo, conditioner, panghugas ng pinggan, may mga tindahan doon na pwede tayong bumili ng tingi-tingi. Dito wala talaga. Oh, I love you. Ayan, naglalaro-laro lang kami dito. Si Zoe, si Reaper, and si Lucy Koy. Uy! Yes, baby, yes. Tingnan yun, ginawa ni Reaper. Wala na. Nginat-ngat na nila tong collar niya. Bibilan ko na lang siya uli ng bago pag may nakita akong maganda. Pinalabas ko muna yung mga dogs to go toilet. Ayan. Titignan ko to si Lucy kasi takbo ng takbo. Tingnan mo, nandun nasa ilalim. Takbo ng takbo to. Lucy! Oh my goodness. Lucy! Pero Come on. May kasi pumunta ng daan. Wanak na ko. Come here na nga. Ikaw, ang kulit-kulit mong bata ka. Sabi ko, huwag ka dun sa may road. Pumunta dun sa kapitbahay namin sila Reaper. You stay there. Ang kulit! Lucy, you're not allowed there. See? Ouch! Butik na ako masabsab bata ka. We're going inside na. You're not listening to me. We're going inside. It's 4:59. 5 p.m. na guys. So I'm going to prepare our dinner for tonight. I planned to have chicken, what do you call it? Chicken curry. So I got my ginger, yung luyang dilaw na binili natin, and white onion. I need garlic. Nakita ko lang sa pantry. Hindi pala ako nag-haul nung sa IGA, no? Yun nga yung binili ko, chicharon, tsaka itong prego. Nakakita ko ng 4 cheese na prego doon. Bumili ako 2 nito. And the meaty spaghetti sauce. Ayan, itatry natin kung masarap. Tapos lalagyan ko ng ketchup. Ayun. Yun yung mga binili namin from IGA kahapon. Balik ko lang. Now, ang magiging problema ko is yung luyang dilaw. Kasi nagmamansya siya. So, now, I'm going to have this. So, the pan is ready. I just put some olive oil. Then, lagay na natin yung carrots and potato. So, okay na to. Here. Na-brown na natin. Set aside lang muna natin sila. Ayun, nilagyan ko lang uli ng olive oil kasi nawala yung oil. First is the luya. Yung luya. Bawang at sibuyas. And then, onting fish sauce. Lagyan na natin. Probably mga 1 tablespoon. Bango. Next is the chickens. Isahin lang natin yung mga chicken. So, takpan lang natin and then leave it probably 2 to 3 minutes para magtubig or mag-oil up. So, now let's add the coconut cream. Ito kasi meron ako. At namuo siya. Namuo ang ating coconut cream. So, kumukulo na. Lagyan ko lang ng onting water. Then, haluin lang natin. Then, leave it for probably 30 to 40 minutes. Balikan natin siya mamaya. We are done! Bon appetit! Good morning, everyone! Kakaalis lang ni Warren. Ouch. So, it's Friday. Friday. It's Thursday, January 30. So, now, hindi pa ako nag-uumpisa, but I'm planning to do laundry today. Make some tea. First, I need to drink juice. Wala na rin akong juice. Ubus na. And we're also drinking this every day, every morning. As much as possible. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan namin. Yan, si Warren dalawa, ako isa. Kasi sa bahay lang naman ako. So, kakatapos ko lang maglinis, guys. Now, I will be making some sweet tea. I already got some sugar here. This is 3 cups of sugar. And this is 1 gallon. Ayan. And then, so, okay na yung tea natin. Nalagay lang natin dito. So, hahaluin lang natin habang mainit. And then, once nahalo na maigi, lalagyan natin ng ice. Pupunuin natin ng ice. So, ito, probably this is all good. So, let's taste na. Okay na yan. Good.
A few moments later.
Let's make palabok sauce. Nag-crave lang ako sa palabok kasi ang dami ko rin chicharon dito. Ayan, binabad ko na yung noodles natin last night. Overnight siyang binabad kasi medyo matigas to. I don't know. Or hindi lang ako marunong magluto. So, binabad ko na siya overnight. I'm just washing it. So, ayun, sinalang ko na yung noodles. Now, I'm going to prepare the sauce. We're going to use Mamacita's palabok mix. Ayan siya. Kasi wala akong hipon. And then, I already prepare garlic and onion for sauteing. We need 2.5 cups for this para ma-dissolve. Reaper! Ang ginagawa ko, sinasama ko na yung atswete dito. Ganun din naman. Bango. And then dissolve lang natin siya. And then atswete for coloring. Dito ko na rin sinasama sa palabok mix. Ganun din naman. We are set. So, I got onions, garlic, cornstarch, the palabok mix, hinimay na tinapang bangus, and also my crushed chicharon. So, syempre, let's get some olive oil. Yung garlic muna kasi kuha tayo ng konting garlic dito. Para sa toppings. kasi maglasang sunog yung aking sauce. So, nagtabi ako ng ibang bawang. So, this one will do. Tapos, set aside lang natin siya. We'll saute the onion and the garlic again. Kasama na sila. Then, we're going to add the tinapa. And then, a little fish sauce. Pampalasa. Mga 1 tablespoon siguro. Now, we are going to add the mixture with the atsuete. Para walang buo. Naglagay lang ako ng konting tubig. Kasi parang ang konti ng sauce natin. So, kasi mas saucy yung palabok. Papantapin ko na. Kung may kulang. Perfect. Finish lang ating sauce. Ayan na siya. Here. And then I'm going to top it with fresh chicharon. Tapos ito, minix ko na yung bawang tsaka yung onion leeks. Got my boiled egg. Have more chicharon.
Yan ang ating palabok. Hindi na ako nagkalamansi. Parang hindi ko feel magkalamansi ngayon. It's just like it. And then kumuha na lang ako ng sweet tea for my drink. Bon appetit! Kumain natin. Gusto ko talaga sa palabok yung garlic and yung tinapa sa sauce. Para lasang-lasang mo talaga siya. And of course, chicharon. Hindi mawawala ang ating chicharon. Masarap pa yung chicharon din dyan na may taba-taba. Yung, at ang tawag din, opelya ba? Opelya yung tawag din, sabi ni mama.
So, the fun part is over. Tapos na po akong maglinis ng kusina. Is that a fun part? Minsan talaga na parang gusto mo kumain pero tinatamad ka magluto or maglinis ng kusina after, no? Ewan ko ba? Nagwash na rin ako ng dishes. Now, I'm just waiting for my laundry to get done. Yung first batch para makapag-iron na rin after. Ayun. Yun lang ang ating life for today. How are you? How are you, babies? This is Reaper. This is... Where's... We'll go now. I'll get up. Because I need to check the laundry, baby. Go down. You go down. Come on. Go down. It's already 5:23 p.m. and I'm going to prepare our dinner for today. Well, it's Warren's dinner pala dahil magpapalabok lang ako for the dinner. Pork steak. Parang pork chop na din. And then, ibe-breading ko lang siya. Ipa-fry natin. And then, I'm going to make a sweet and sour sauce. I'm thinking yun or yung garlic honey dip. I don't know. But yeah, ganun lang. Yun lang yung gagawin natin for today. Madali lang naman. So, hindi naman komplikado. It's just a simple marination lang for the pork kanina. Salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. That's it. And then this one, it's the Crispy Joy from Barrio Fiesta. And then I'll just put cornmeal.
Nag-melt na ako ng butter for the sauce ng pork chop. But ang gagawin natin is honey buttered garlic. Ito na lang gagamitin kong garlic, yung binili kong fried garlic. Ito. I'm going to get some honey. So, ito na yung sauce niya.
How's your day?